Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Bansal. I am from batch number DS080321 from Eduda. A project is assigned to me in which I have created an interactive way of booking movie ticket through online, just like you can do on Paytm, like that. Okay. Now move to the case diagram of it. Here it is. Now I create a theater in which there is a server and a customer. I used a object method which is menu, under which I mentioned some methods like so the sheet, buy ticket, statistics, sold ticket info, exit, like that. But before doing these all methods, we have to create an auditorium. So here it is a creating auditorium option, which is must. Okay. So now we move to our main program and see what this program do. Okay. Now I have opening my Jupyter notebook. Okay. Now this is my Jupyter notebook. The file name is here you can see that main.py. Okay. So now scroll it up. Yes, I am scrolling it here. Now here you can see that I have created a class cinema in which I have created a class attribute name as list1. In this I put details of the customer which buy a ticket, and here I in this one I also created the auditorium one also, like by asking number of rows and number of seats, and yeah, there are some class attribute or more class attribute also, total tickets, number of tickets sold, current income, total income, like that. Okay. Now as I already mentioned you, I have created a menu as object method, under which I use some methods. I use these methods like with the help of if elif loop. Like here you can see that for buy a ticket there is two numbers. The buy a ticket, if I want to buy a ticket, user has to type 2, and when he type 2, the self dot buy ticket will come under yeah. Here you can see that there's the buy ticket option. Self where it is yeah, self dot buy option, and if the user input equals to 1, that it will be show the seat, right? So these are some functions which I have created, under which after that I have created some class methods like that, and some static methods. Okay. Now and at last I have created s.cinema. I am calling cinema class with a variable s and s.menu. Okay, now I am running this program. Now see what is going to happen. Now it is asking me enter the row enter the number of row for creating auditorium. Let's say I want to create a auditorium of 7 rows, and which has 8 seats in each row. Okay, now I am in menu and I have some functions. Now I'm pressing 1. Now see what is going to happen. I'm clicking on 1. Here is the pictorial way of auditorium. How does it look like? Just like in Paytm, we can see that there are just like that. S represented the seats are vacant. The seats are available. S for seats, like right. Yeah. If I, as I already mentioned, there are 7 columns, and in each column there are 8 seats. So like that. Okay. So now let's do one thing. Let's just try to buy a ticket. Now I'm pressing 2. Okay. So it's asking me enter the row number of ticket. Let's say I want to buy this 3,31. Okay. So I'm entering 3. Sorry. No, sorry. Okay. 33. I mistake. I pressed 33, and it is saying that please enter the row number correctly. Okay. Now I am entering 3 again. Okay. Enter the column number of ticket. Okay. Okay, 3,3. Now it's saying that the ticket price is $10. You want to book? Yes, I definitely want to book. Yeah, now I have to enter my name, which is Sumit Bansal. Okay. Now what is my gender? My gender is male. Okay, this is calling one is. What is my age? I think it's 21. And what is the phone number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is my phone number. So yeah, now that the ticket is booked successfully. Now I'm pressing 1. See what is happened to my auditorium. All the seats are initially vacant. All they are all S. But now you can see that there is a B. B for that the ticket is booked. The seat is already occupied. B shows that the position which we booked for Sumit 3,3. The only D is here, which shows that it is booked. Okay. This is the one. This is the method how show the ticket. Show the seats work. Now, if I press 3, what is going to happen? I call the statistics option. and now it just shows the number of ticket purchase, which is only one of Sumit, and percentage, which is 1.79. How, what is percentage? In this percentage, it's show us the percentage of the tickets sold from total. That is, there are total 7 into 8, which is around 56 tickets are there, and only one are sold, which is 1.79%. And current income, that is single ticket sold, which is of $10 of Sumit. So $10, and total income, that is if each ticket is of $10, then how many tickets are there? And there are 56 tickets. That is why 560 is there. Now, if I enter 4, what is happening? Now I have to want the user info. So I am say 3,3, the Sumit one, and yes, it's provide me the details of the Sumit. Yeah, here you can see that the name is Sumit Bansal, gender is male, age 21, and ticket price $10, and the phone number is like that. Okay, so yes, if I again press 4, what is going to happen now? Okay. So if I again press 4, and if I choose an option which is vacant, then what is happening? 1,1 now. It's giving that the seat is vacant. Okay. So now let's exit it and run it again. Now I am exiting. Okay. Now it's not asking me anything. Now I am again running it. Now I have to create an audio here of say of 8 into 9 of 9 rows and 8 columns. Okay. So I'm entering 9. It's asking me the seats. Okay, 9 into 8. Now I want pressing 1. It shows the seats of how the seats are arranged, and now I want to buy a ticket. Okay, so I am entering. I want to buy a 4,41, 4 and 4. The ticket price is $10. You want to book. If I say I press 1, yes, I want to enter my name. Let's say this time I'm going for Amit. Yes, he is male, and his age is 35. What is the phone number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, it's 0. Okay, I'm entering it. The book booked successfully. Now I want to show the sheets to you. Now here you can see that at 4,4 tickets are booked. Okay. Now I want to book another ticket. Now enter the room number. Now I want to book the 5,5. Let's say 5 and 5. Now it's asking me the ticket price is $8. Before it is saying that the ticket price is of $10 of Amit. Now it's saying the $8. There is a criteria of pricing. If the total tickets are less than 60, then each ticket price is $10. But if the ticket is more than 60, then the seats which are in first half, that is in this case the first half columns, first half rows are 1, 2, 3, 4. These are of $10, and the remaining are of $8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is the price. This is the pricing criteria. Now I am again saying yes. I want to book. Now I am entering. Let's say Neha. Okay. Now she is female. Enter her age. I say 24. Enter her phone number 0987654321. Okay. Now I have shown the seat to you. Now it's here. You can see that 4 at 4 and at 5. It's showing us that the ticket is booked. Now I'm going for statistical option. Number 3. Now it's showing us that the number of ticket purchases are 2, which is of Amit and Neha, and the percentage are 2.78. Current income $18, which is 10 of Amit and 8 of Neha, and total income 640. Now I am going for a 4th option. Okay, enter the row. I want details of Neha, which is 5,5. Okay. The Neha price, the name Neha, gender is female, age, it's giving us detail of it. Okay. Now I want the details of what is the name? Amit. Right, that's 3,3. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, 3,3 is vacant. So yeah, 4,4. Okay. Okay, it's Amit. So here you can see that the Amit male 35, like that. Okay. So this is the basically thing which I have made. Okay. And now I am exiting. Now what if I print another number other than these 5? So other than these, what is going to happen? It's invalid input. Now Okay, so now I am explaining.